In this screencast, we're going to look a little bit more at using apps from the start screen. So first off, I'm going to open an app using my touch screen capability. And let's say that I've got this Weather Channel app open, and as you can see, ironically enough, today there's a severe thunderstorm watch for the Nashville area. So I want to keep this app open, but I want to be able to continue working on my computer doing other tasks. So how can I get back to my start screen while keeping an app open? Actually, it's quite simple. If you look on your physical keyboard, you will see in the lower left corner, the bottom row, between the Control and the Alt key, there is a Windows key. If you tap the Windows key, that returns you to your start screen. So another question or a follow-up question might be, how do I get back to that open app using my touch screen? Well, if you go to the left side of your touch screen and with your finger start outside the start screen area, drag in from the left, and when you let go, that app will open again. To go back to start screen, you just tap the Windows button on your keyboard. There is another way to get back to your start screen, and that is to open what is called the Charms menu. You access or open the Charms menu on a touchscreen laptop by using the right side of the screen. So swipe in from the right side of the screen and see how we have opened this Charms menu, which has some different tools. The Search tool, Share, Start, Devices, and Settings. So if we want to go back to the start screen, we just click Start. The other key tool or feature in Windows 8.1 that you might like using is if you have multiple apps open. So I'm going to go ahead and open several apps at once. So I will open a couple of different apps here, and I'll open, let's see, I'm going to go out and open Google Drive. Alright, so if I go back to my start screen, you might ask, how do I know what apps I have open and how do I get to them? Well, again, if we want to switch between apps, you start by swiping in from the left side of your screen. So I can swipe and just go through from app to app by swiping in from the left side of my screen. I also can list all of the open apps by going to the left side of the screen, swiping in slightly, and going back to the left. And that shows you all of the apps that are open. Okay, so I'm swiping in part way to the right, but then swiping quickly back to the left, and it shows me my list of apps that are open. And then I can always return to the Start menu. That's it for this particular screencast.